Hi there. Do you know what makes things hard or easy? It's all about how we think. Nothing is really difficult if we take it step by step. Today, we are going to talk about something that sounds tough but is actually super simple: machine learning versus deep learning. Stick with me and I promise you will get it easily. So, last time, nothing is too hard when you break it down, and remember, if you want more easy calculations, make sure to subscribe to Tech AI Explain. So, welcome to Tech AI Explain, the place where we make tech easy for you. Today we are going to figure out the difference between machine learning and deep learning. First of all, machine learning. What is machine learning? Think of it like machine learning a computer to make decisions, just like you teach a child how to solve math problems. Machine learning helps computer learn from data. For example, it's why your email can carry spam from a real email, or why Amazon shows you products you might like. Machine learning is great for solving simple problems, like recognizing factors in data. Now let's talk about deep learning. It's like the advanced version of machine learning. Deep learning uses something called neural networks, which try to work like the human brain. Deep learning is the technology behind things like face recognition, voice assistant, and even self-driving cars. So in short, you can compare them. Machine learning is for simpler tasks, and deep learning is for more complex tasks like recognizing faces or understanding speech. See, it's not as hard as it sounds. Just like a computer learns step by step, you can also learn AI step by step. Everything becomes easy when you break it down, and that's what we do here at Tech AI Explained. So, which do you want to learn about more, machine learning or deep learning? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. We have got tons of easy tech lessons coming your way. Tech AI Explained makes it simple, so keep learning with us. Thank you for watching.